Hello guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these tasty chips omelets. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. So first, I already sliced my potatoes into wedges as you can see in the video. Then sprinkle a bit of salt and fry your chips. Make sure the oil is so hot before putting the chips. Then afterwards, put the chips and fry them till well baked. And when the chips are ready, remove them and place them aside on a plate. Then the next step, we are going to make eggs. On a bowl, break 2 eggs and add 1 small tomato, a bit of green paprika or any other color, 1 sliced small onion, then sprinkle some salt and black pepper, and I added chili flakes to make it spicy, but it's optional if you don't like spicy, and mix the eggs very nice. Then you will cook your egg. Add some oil on a pan and let it heat up. Then pour the egg and spread it around the pan and let it cook for about 30 seconds to 1 minute till well cooked. While the egg is cooking, add the chips on top of the egg as you can see in the video, and then flip the egg on the other side to cook on both sides for at least 1 minute. And when ready, remove your chips omelette and place it on a plate. And your chips omelette is ready. Add some sauce if you prefer and enjoy your omelette. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of chips, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.